In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the Bluehost marketplace. If you're hosting your website with Bluehost, the marketplace is where you'll find tools, themes, and services that can help you customize and enhance your site without needing to be a technical expert. We'll keep things simple, step by step, so you feel confident navigating it on your own by the end. First, start by logging into your Bluehost account. Head to the main Bluehost website and sign in using your usual credentials. Take a moment to make sure you're on the main dashboard page once you're logged in. This is typically where you see an overview of your sites, along with various options in a menu on the left side. Once you're on your dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is the main navigation panel where you'll find links to key sections like your websites, email, and other tools. Here you want to look for the marketplace icon. It's usually located near the websites or email tabs, so scan that area carefully. The marketplace icon might be labeled clearly as marketplace or show an associated symbol indicating apps or add-ons. When you find it, click on it to open the Bluehost marketplace. As the marketplace loads, you'll see a range of categories and options depending on what Bluehost is currently offering. This might include website themes, plugins, performance tools, security upgrades, marketing services, and sometimes professional services like design or SEO help. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Usually there will be a main section showing featured or recommended items and additional categories you can explore via tabs or filters. If you have a specific goal in mind, such as improving your website's design or adding a particular feature, start by browsing the most relevant category. For example, if you're interested in design, look for themes or templates. If you want added functionality like contact forms or e-commerce tools, check the apps or plugins section. As you explore, click on any marketplace item to open its details page. Here, you'll usually see a description of what it does, key features, any pricing information, and sometimes user ratings or reviews. Read through this carefully so you understand what you're getting and whether it fits your needs. This is especially important if it's a paid add-on, as some products may involve one-time fees, while others might be subscription-based. If you decide you want to use something from the marketplace, look for a button that lets you purchase, install, or activate it. Follow the on-screen prompts. Bluehost often streamlines this process, so once you confirm your choice, the tool or service can be connected directly to your existing site with minimal setup. You may be asked to choose which website to apply it to if you manage more than one. After you're done, it's a good idea to return to your main dashboard or your website management area and confirm that the new theme, plugin, or service is active. Check your site to make sure everything looks and works as expected. That's all there is to getting started with the Bluehost marketplace. By knowing where to find it and how to explore the options, you'll be able to quickly enhance your site using tools and services that are integrated right into your hosting account.